I have received so many queries regarding the legality of this platform, or if this platform is a scam or a fraud. So to prove it to you, I am on the official website of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and here you can click on MCA services and click on check LLP name. Now let's type Bizgurukul here and check out if it's listed or not. As you can see, it has its own LLPI number, the company name, state, incorporation date, and the company name status. Hello everyone. So many of you asked me that I'm mentioning that Bizgurukul is a registered platform or LLP or company or whatever you call it on MCA.govt.in. You can see the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. This is the official website of the government, and I have typed Bizgurukul, and you can see that this is registered under MCA. It is allocated, which means registered.